Hey there, plant fam. I wanted to give you an update to let you know how my makeshift ICU is going here. Inside the plant ICU, it looks like we got as low as 2 degrees Celsius. That's bare minimum for germination on cold starts like corn salad and kale. I've got red peppers growing in here. They're probably not too happy about temperatures like that. So just a reminder, nothing is sponsored. I'm just a baby creator and nobody likes me. We've got premium seed starting Jiffy mix, seed starting Miracle-Gro mix, Miracle-Gro potting mix, and then I have this thing called Magic Plantation, and honestly I was a little leery of that one. It came from the dollar store. It says it's fully organic, but it didn't have a list of ingredients like these others did. Surprisingly, check it out. Almost every single plant is germinated in that dollar store mystery mix that claims to be organic, with the exception of whatever I planted in there. I'm sorry, I don't even remember. We've got the exact same plants in all of these cells. They're just kind of flipped around. There's a few noticeable differences in some of the plants I have here. Most leggy and weak tomatoes are the ones that are in the Miracle-Gro seed starting. My strongest tomatoes are in the Miracle-Gro potting mix. And I say that because they're shorter and stockier. They look like they have a lot of strength in their stem. Now, there's a lot of strength in the stem on these ones here in the organic dollar store mix. That was a potting soil. But they are taller. They have the same amount of light, and they are the same thickness. The lettuce is doing the exact same in the Jiffy seed starting mix as it is in the Miracle-Gro potting mix. The Miracle-Gro seed starting mix, it's looking just weak and leggy. Insanely enough, in the dollar store organic mystery mix, I've got second growth leaves already. So the organic mystery mix wins on that one as well. This is shocking. I wasn't expecting this. I didn't even feel comfortable planting my seeds for veggies in this one, simply because it didn't have a list of ingredients. Clear winner for pak choi is the Miracle-Gro potting mix. It's the largest plant in here by far. The rest are all about the same size. One last thing I would like to point out, I believe this is a flower from a seed I collected somewhere along my travels, and I can't remember what it is. There it is in the Jiffy seed starting mix, Miracle-Gro seed starting mix, Miracle-Gro potting mix. Yes, they are noticeably larger in the Magic Plantation organic potting mix, but the discoloration on the first set of true leaves makes me wonder if there's too much nitrogen in this soil for this plant to handle.